this one is not as bad as it looks. Not as bad as it looks at all. Okay. All right. So, for example, anything that's zero greater than zero over here is going to be positive. So you know this, whatever this is positive, whatever this is positive. Anything that goes this to the left of zero is going to be negative. This is negative, this is negative. So right away, there's a negative, there's a negative. There's a positive, there's a positive. So we can already start to sort these cards in that manner. We can say, okay, you're going to go on this side somewhere, and you're going to go on this side somewhere. You're going to go on this side somewhere, and you're going to go on this side somewhere. So now you're looking at this and go, okay, let's do these positives. What would you rather have? 3/10 or 3/4? Think about this for a second. 3/10, 3/4. So we have the same number of pieces, but the pieces are different sizes. Which size would be bigger? If I took a pizza and cut it into 10 pieces, we like to think hypothetically as math teachers a lot. Maybe we should just be called scientists or something. I don't know. Cut it into 10 pieces. Can I cut a pizza into 10 pieces? Well, you'll get the point. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think it's just get the idea here, okay? All right, just kind of bear with me here on this, will ya? Just kind of get the idea. So maybe I could see if we could do this way. I don't know, this way, this way, this way. Oh my gosh. Anyway, imagine there's 10 pieces here. Now we're gonna have another pizza. We're gonna cut it into 4 pieces. Would you rather have 1/4 of your favorite pizza or favorite pie or favorite cake? Or would you rather have just a little slice here of it? It's called a 10th, 1/10 or 1/4. So you can see that fourths are bigger. Would you rather have 3 bigger slices, or 3, now 10 means smaller, right? Because we cut it into 10 pieces. That means it's a smaller slice. See, you're just getting this little sliver here, but you get 3 of them though, right? Or you can get 1/4, which is a big, this is a nice big chunky piece of pizza, but you get 3 of those, which would be 1, 2, 3. That's like almost the whole pizza. Yeah, 3/4, way bigger. So which one has greater value? This one here or this one here? So yeah, you can see what I'm saying here, right? So this is 3/4. Oh, and you know what else? You don't even have to do that because you can just count. You probably know, you figure this is split up into 10 pieces here. This is from 0 to 1 there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this here is 3/10. Another way to do it. So so that's not as bad as it looks. We're going this way. 1/2 and 3/5. So we can't do that little trick we did over there. So this is a little bit tougher. You can use calculators too, by the way. It's sort of cheating. You can do like 3 divided by 5 and 1 divided by 2 and see which decimal is bigger. Remember, the trick here though is bigger is going this way, all right? Well, not bigger. It's actually less than, but the bigger, what looks like it's the bigger number goes this way, right? Okay, so here's something you could think about. 3/5 and 1/2. Well, you probably know where half is. Oh my gosh, Mr. Hoffman, just do half. Where's half? Half is like halfway between 0 and -1. Where's halfway? Where's the halfway mark there? Well, how many little spaces are there, intervals? There's 10, right? So half of 10 is 5. So you just got to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's half. And you could do the bunny hop method. Oh, Bunny, I miss you, buddy. I miss you too, Bunny. Bunnies are going to run, or it could be my dogs running together, or it could be me and my dogs after school. On one side's my dogs, and the other side is me. So let's say my dogs are way out here because they miss me so much. They're at -1. Here's my 2 doggies, right? And then I'm over here. We're going to use a color that pops out more. How about a dark blue? Yeah. So here's my 2 puppies. That's not blue. Come on, blue. There we go. Here's my 2 puppies. Here's me. Okay, they run here and I run here. For every little distance they run, I run that distance until we meet in the middle. They run, I run. They run, I run. They run, I run. Here's the middle. That's -1/2 right there. So that must mean that this other one is -3/5. By the way, just in case you couldn't do that with this process of elimination here, I do want to show you one little thing here because it's very valuable. So I know you're like, Mr. Hoffman, I just want to get the answer and be on with my life. Get on with my life. There's more than things that are important than just getting the answer, okay? So if you're still here, you're awesome. And that is, if you look at this from here to here, it's split up into 10 pieces, right? But we want it to be into 5 pieces. Why do I think that? Because the denominator's 5, right? Okay, we want 5 pieces. So we're going to divide it into 5 pieces. So we're basically, we have tenths, but we want it to be in, we want to convert that into halves. We want that to be in halves, right? So how many halves, right, does that, let's see here, how many tenths? How many tenths, I guess, is what we're saying, will equal a half? I think that's how it works. How many tenths will equal a half? So we're divide 10 by something so that we get fifths? No, we want, oh man, I think I'm blowing this. Okay, I'm gonna pull it together here, guys. This happens. This is the real good model example of how to figure this out. What do I want fifths? I want to turn tenths into fifths. There we go. I want tenths to be turned into fifths. So how many tenths, there we go, equal 1/5. How many tenths equal 1/5? So we're really saying 10. Let's see, how do you go from 5 to 10? Oh my gosh, you multiply by 2. How do you go? So then whatever you do to the bottom, you do the top. So multiply this by 2. 2 tenths equals 1/5. Oh, that's it. That's cool. I'm just figuring this out as I'm doing this, you guys. 2 tenths equals 1/5. So here, this is pretty cool. All right, so here's 2 tenths right here. There, which is 1/5, negative 1/5. Here's another 2 tenths, negative 2/5. Another 2 tenths. Ah, there it is. A negative 3/5. Just another way to do it. There's lots of ways to do this. Anyhow,